Hey everyone, happy Friday and welcome to Wade's Weekly Update. I, of course, am Wade Byers, the helpful mortgage man with First Community Mortgage here in the Mt Juliet, Middle Tennessee area. Happy Friday. It is a beautiful Friday morning here. I'm actually out at the model home at Goodall Homes for out in Providence Landing, real close to Providence. Doing a short little presentation for the Mt Juliet young professionals here. So if you're ever interested in a new construction home from Goodall Homes, you should certainly contact Ashley Hinsley, and she would be happy to put you in one of those homes. But hope you all had a great 3-day weekend, enjoyed a little bit of time and the fruits of your labor over that 3-day weekend, and hopefully had a very productive week this week. I wanted to talk a little bit about 100% financing today. There is a little bit of a misconception out there about what's available for homeowners and how much of a down payment is required these days. There's some people that think you still need 20% down to buy a home. There's also those out there that think that 100% financing options are just readily available like they were a few years ago. Well, that's not really the case. There are a few 100% programs out there. And honestly, FHA mortgages only require a minimum of 3.5% down. Conventional mortgages only require a 5% down payment at minimum. So you don't need to have 20% down. You just need 3.5 or 5% to qualify to purchase a home. And then there's some 100% financing options out there. Of course, VA loans are available for veterans, and those are 100% financing. You have the most common program out there for first-time homebuyers in this market is what's called a THDA loan through the Tennessee Housing Development Association. There's also a program called the Nashville Housing Fund. Both of those programs have income restrictions, and there is the down payment is provided through a second mortgage. So there is a payment associated with that, so we need to take that into consideration if you're considering one of those options. Another 100% option out there these days is USDA. USDA also has income restrictions and is really designed to try to put people in homes in rural areas. However, it does provide 100% financing. It is a really good loan, depending on where the property is located and your income. And so anyway, that's really all I had today. I wanted to just make sure to get across that there are some 100% financing options out there. There's not a ton of them. But you also don't need 20% down to purchase a home. So I hope everyone has a great weekend. As always, if there's anything I can do, please give me a shout, 615-335-3356. Feel free to give me a call or text me anytime on there. If you're interested in looking at one of these programs, please be sure to talk to me or somebody else to make sure that you can fit into the qualifications. Thanks a lot. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and we will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.